Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to visualize parametric functions using SwiftUI Chart. So here in this case I'm using a line plot for Flutter iOS. So let's get started. So here you can see this is the output, but you can draw anything. Now I'm not really good at mathematics, so I have just copy pasted this sample from the actual documentation. But yeah, let's see how to do this. So here I have just created a Flutter project, and here you can see this is a stateless widget which I have created. So I have created a scaffold, a safe area, a size box of width, and height. If you want, you can give that as well. And this is our SwiftUI view. So if you see our SwiftUI view, this is the identifier which I have used. So same identifier you will have to use it on native iOS side as well. So here is our stateful widget. We don't really need this. Okay, so we can remove this, and also I think we can write this better. So here I can write is iOS and this, and because we are SwiftUI charts are only for iOS, right, or macOS. For all other platform displaying placeholder. So yeah, next you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. I have already done that. You will first have to go to your project, and here inside iOS you will have to update this to at least iOS 18, because the parametric functions are available from iOS 18 only. Then you will have to go to app delegate, and here I have just copy pasted this from the documentation. Important thing is this should be the same what you have used it on the Flutter side. Then I have created another Swift file called my SwiftUI view native view factory. Again I have copy pasted this code from the documentation. This is boilerplate code you have to write every time you want to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter project. So just copy paste it. Here we are referencing another Swift file called my SwiftUI view native view. So I have created that file, and here you can see we have imported UIKit as well as SwiftUI. So this will basically help us to embed our SwiftUI view inside UIKit. So here again there will be lot of boilerplate code. So I have created this UI view as well as Flutter view controller. We are initializing it over here. This is our controller. Here we are overriding to return parent view. This is our create native view. So we create our UI hosting controller, and again this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a SwiftUI view inside UIKit application. Here you can see we are initializing our SwiftUI view. So this is our SwiftUI view. Here you can see I'm importing SwiftUI as well as charts. I have created this view and I'm using this chart. I'm using a line plot. I'm passing the X as well as the Y, and this is our T. This is the domain, and here is some mathematical calculation is done which I don't really understand. So maybe you are good at math and you might be able to figure it out. And here I have just defined chart X scale, Y scale, and chart plot style, and foreground style and aspect ratio as well as frame. So yeah, change it to however you feel like. So important part is this which helps us to visualize the mathematical functions. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.